So my name is Ritesh. I take science and technology classes for UPSC prelims as well as mains. And we are going to have the same approach. We are not going to divide into prelims and mains. Rather, we'll do it in a way where both prelims and mains will be covered together, right? So first of all, let's talk about that what we have to study. So general science, that is in prelims, and technology is there in main examination, right? So this is what we have. That is why it is called science and technology. And then we have prelims part and mains part. Right. In prelims part, it is just 2 words written, general science. That is what UPSC says. There is nothing more. In the syllabus, it's just general science, right? Whereas in mains part, the syllabus is defined. They have some points out there. Some chapters' names are there. Let's say I'll write the chapter's name. One is biotech, then nanotech, then there is robotics, then we have space tech, then we have IT and computers. So this is what UPSC has written. Right, these 5 chapters are written in UPSC syllabus, main syllabus. In the prelims, nothing. It's just general science. But there are some additional things that we can add on, although it's not written into the UPSC syllabus. But you will find it. The questions are coming from those areas. One is nuclear technology, that is linked with energy part and defense part. Another one is defense technology. Right. So altogether, these 7 chapters are there for the mains point of view, right? The number of questions that you get in main examination, that is anywhere between 3 to 5 questions in paper 3. So that is where you get the science and technology question, mainly. Moreover, if you talk about prelims examination that you might have gone through, so you will get anywhere between 12 to 15 questions in GS, right? 12 is a lower side. Normally, if you scan the question of last 5 years, you will find that questions are close to 15, right? And it's not only 15 because 15 is direct science and technology question. UPSC is truly multidisciplinary. There is a lot of integration with other subject as well. And there are many questions which are in between environment and science and technology, in between the physical geography and science and technology. So if you add those 2 areas together, then the number of questions would easily go 20 plus, right? So 12 to 15 will take the conservative figure. That is what it is, coverage. Now the problem is that the general science doesn't say anything that what need to be studied, right? Normally what we understand that general science is physics, chemistry and biology. That is what we understand. Perfect, no issues with that. But then if you look at the prelims question, you will hardly find any question coming from the core science. Hardly. Yes, sometimes you get some question from biology, and that is also some area of the biology. Let's say microbiology. They ask question about microbes, bacteria, fungus. And they're not asking from biological point of view. They're asking because it is there with us. It is impacting us. They are causative agent of some disease, or they're doing some, some impact on our life. That is why they're asking. Another area which emerged after COVID pandemic is immunity, human immunity, right? So they're asking question from immune system, T cells and WBCs, all kind of thing. But again, it is advisable to have a basic knowledge of it. So NCRT, that you have studied anyway, 9th and 10th, that is something that you can go. If you have time, you can go.